I opened Lucky Dog basically because I have three dogs of my own, and when looking for care for my dogs, I really struggled to find the perfect fit. And I found that there were other people out there like me who their dogs are their passion, and they really wanted a safe and healthy place. And I honestly, I got really tired of leaving my dogs at home every day when I went to work. And we blow bubbles and play in the swimming pool and have ice cream in the summer and have birthday parties to celebrate birthdays throughout the month. And the owner has the option of doing party favors that we would give out at the end of the day on their dog's behalf. Or we've had individuals that have leased our facility to throw a party and invite all their doggy friends. Well, an ideal dog is a dog that has already had social exposure, who has a basic foundation of training, and a dog who is healthy and vaccinated, and a dog who is ready to come and have a good time.